Hi, 226. So for this part of the daily routine, you have to make sure that you type in first the time for each routine, and then you're gonna actually move the hands on the clock. So let's say, Ms. Cabrera, I get up so I'm gonna click on the box. So I wake up in the morning at 6:30, and that's in the AM, okay? Then, now I need to come here and I need to move my clock hands. And if you see, the blue hand is the longer one. We know that the longer hand is the minute hand, and the red is going to be the hour hand. Okay, so if I wake up at 6:30 a.m., I know that this number before the two dots means the hour. So I'm going to move my hour hand first. I'm going to click on the red, and now you see this little, how it turns blue right here? I'm going to put the cursor over it, and I'm going to move it to 6. But 6:30 is halfway past 6, so it's going to go in between the 6 and the 7. Okay, that's the hour. And don't worry if the hand gets bigger or smaller. We just remember that the red is going to be the hour hand. And if it's 6:30, this would be like if it was pointing to 6 o'clock, right? So I'm going to move this because when I'm at 6:30, I'm going to click this, and I know that the minute hand should be pointing down directly to the 6. So Miss Cabrera wakes up at 6:30 a.m. Okay. Then what time did I eat breakfast? Well, Miss Cabrera usually wakes up. I like to brush my teeth. I check out the news. I usually eat breakfast around 8 o'clock a.m. So after I type the time in, now I come back over here, right? And well, I know when I tell the time to the hour, the minute hand is already going to be pointing to the 12. So I don't need to change that. But right now it's pointing to the 3. So I'm going to click on the red hour hand, and I'm going to take the hand and I'm going to move it to 8. So 8 o'clock a.m. Okay, so make sure you fill in the time showing a.m. or p.m., and then you need to make sure that you update and change the clocks.